Hey friends, if you wish to generate a battery health report on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So I have a command for you which is just powercfg space forward slash battery report. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste this here and hit enter. It will give you a path, okay, to an HTML file. Simply copy this path and then press Windows plus R and then paste it here and hit enter. Okay, and then you will have to open it because it's an HTML file, so you can open it with a browser. Now I have my battery report here. So it says what is the it mentions the design capacity, the full charge capacity, which is pretty good, and it will also mention those state whenever you tried starting it earlier. Okay, so it will also mention whether you try doing it through the charger or through the battery. AC means the power charger. Okay. And then it will also give a graph for battery drains and the battery usage and the usage history, and obviously much more information. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.